Hi, this is Miss Chalone, and I'm here for another recorder video. Today we're going to be learning Baby Shark. So it's a pretty simple song. It uses G, A, B, and C. It's pretty simple. I'll play it through and then I'll teach you. That's basically the song, played it twice through. So, first part is G, A, C. All right, that's easy enough. Then it's C, 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 C. So. Okay, so the first part is Baby Shark. And that's going to be your G, A, C. G, A, C, Baby Shark. And then do, 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 do. It's all on your C's. Baby Shark, do, 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 do. Baby Shark, do, 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 do. Baby Shark, do, 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 do. Then the end. Baby Shark, C, C, B. So all together. G, A, C, 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 G, A, C, 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 G, A, C, 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 B. Try it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Let's do this one a little slower. Do that again. Okay. G, A, C, 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 G, A, C, 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 G, A, C, 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 B. All right, let's play it up to tempo. 1, 2, here we go. And then you just basically repeat it over and over for the grandma, the grandpa, the mommy, the daddy, all of that. All right, until next time, keep practicing.